Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to upcycle some clothes that may be out of style or just don't fit quite right anymore. Instead of tossing them out, let's give them a fresh look. These are super easy alterations that anyone can do. Let's get started. Step 1. Transform a U-shaped neckline into an off-the-shoulder neckline. First, carefully unstitch the neckline and then remove the elastic. Adjust the elastic to fit your shoulders, then sew it back into place. For a polished finish, you can add a hook and eye closer or simply overlap the fabric and stitch it down like I do. Step 2. Change funnel sleeves to puff sleeves. If there is enough room in the sleeve hem, insert an elastic band to create a puff sleeve effect. If the elastic is too wide, fold the fabric to make a wider channel, and then insert the elastic. Tie up the elastic securely and sew the opening closed. Repeat this for the other sleeve. Step 3. Replace a thick waistband with a thinner one. Remove the old thick waistband and replace it with a thinner elastic band. This makes the garment more variable and allows you to wear different belt over it. See? Alterations aren't that hard. If you have a clothes that you're bored with or that are slightly out of date, give them a little tweak and see how they turn out. Your wardrobe will feel brand new. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY fashion tips. Thank you for watching.